lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bisola Badmus, Kunle Afod mà ti lọ ṣe àbẹ̀wò míì sí arábìnrin yìí tó jẹ́ òṣèré tọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ ti káàkiri ayélujára lórí ọ̀rọ̀ brain tumor tó ní. lásìkò tí Kunle Afod tún lọ ṣe àbẹ̀wò fún Bisola Badmus yìí, ẹ wò nǹkan ribiribi ló gbé lọ o. Kí ló gbé lọ? Owó yẹn lágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ ni owó ńlá ló gbé lọ tó lọ́ọ́ fi ká Bisola Badmus mọ́lé. Nígbà tó dọ́dọ̀ Bisola Badmus tí Bisola Badmus rówó tó gbé wá, kí ni Bisola Badmus sọ? Ó fọ́nrán yìí kẹ́ ẹ gbóhùn lẹ́nu Bisola Badmus lórí ohun tó sọ nígbà tí Afod fowó tí àwọn èèyàn àwọn olólùfẹ́ tán fi jíṣẹ́ fún. Ó mà ṣe o, àìsàn mà ní ṣe wá o, àmọ́ ìfẹ́ tí wọ́n ní sí arábìnrin yìí ó pọ̀ ó lágbára. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí Kunle Afod náà sọ. Welcome to CrossBlog X TV. Remember to like, share and follow us.
Ijó ọpẹ́ mi dá, ijó ọpẹ́ mi rèé, gbogbo ara mi o, máa fi gbé Jésù mi ga. Ẹ wò ẹ má mind pé mi ìjó nínú fídíò yìí, mo kàn kọrin ọpẹ́ ni. In tó bá tó ọpẹ́, èèyàn máa ń dúpẹ́ ni. Mo tún lọ rí Bisola Badmus lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ wò èní máa dùn, ó máa lárinrin. Coming to surprise Bisola Badmus again and again. Let's see how it's going to turn out today. You are here again. This dog is here again. Well, my people, I'm getting used to this dog. This is how he always barks, and I'm not bothered or concerned about he or she barking. He or she barking. I don't know, right? So today of the Bisola Badmus, and this time around it is huge, it is massive, and it is what people also compare with me because òṣèré yìí ó loud gan. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fún gbogbo everybody tó support wa lọ́kàn ọ̀jọ̀kan, bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó ní bó ṣe jẹ́ ṣe mọ̀ kí n ṣe gbogbo nǹkan lèèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ máa fẹnu sọ, kí dẹ́ ṣe gbogbo aṣọ lèèyàn sá síta, ó yẹ kó yẹ èèyàn mọ̀ dàgbà jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Bọ̀ lẹ́ni ọ̀nà tí mo gbà yọ ọ̀nà ara ni, ọ̀nà tó le gbé báàgì fún mi, ẹ lè máa wò pé mi nìkan ni o, ọmọ ọlọ́pẹ́ sì ń bọ̀ wá dúpẹ́ o, ọmọ ọlọ́pẹ́ sì ń bọ̀ wá dúpẹ́. So Bisola, I have 3.4 million. You have 3.4? Yes. Yeah, 3.4 million naira for a year. So you have to appreciate people. You have to. It's huge, it's massive. So you have to appreciate people. This is 3.4 million naira. 3.4 million naira. Ó yẹ ti wà lọ́wọ́ mi láti dẹ̀ta bọ̀ mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní Ìbàdàn. So mo láti máa sábọ̀ mo ìparí iṣẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ láàárọ̀. This is 3.4 million naira for you. Ẹnìkan gan send 1 million. Obìnrin ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ní ká máa dárúkọ àwọn. Èmi gan mọ̀ wọ́n, ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run mọ̀ wọ́n. Àwọn èèyàn lọ́kàn-ò-jọ̀kan. They like you, they love you. They feel your pain. And mọ́tò tó ta, àgbọ́dọ̀ rà mí padà. O ti understand? This is 3.4 million. 3.4 million. Really.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Ṣàdúrà fún wọn. Àdúrà tiẹ̀ náà ti gbà. Àdúrà ẹ̀ ti gbà.
Ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o? Àní fi rẹ̀ gbà o.
Àmín.
Thank you so very much.
Ẹ wo báwọn yẹn ṣe ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún òṣèré yìí.
Ìwọ ló ní nǹkan ẹ̀ owó ẹ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́. This is what should have happened some years ago, but because you kept it to yourself. Don't you understand? This is the massive love that when your shows here. If they don't like you, they won't do all this. If they don't like you, so you can start counting it to be very sure, to be so sure. It is 3 points. What's here? ó ti yẹ 3.4 million naira 3.4 million naira. Tọ́ ẹ̀yin fans wa ẹ ṣé gan, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín àtọmọdé àtàgbà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ń ṣọwọ́ sí wa. Kíní kan ló dá mi lójú gẹ́gẹ́ bí Bísọ́lá fúnra rẹ̀ ṣe sọ, ànífirú ẹ̀gbá láṣẹ Elédùmarè, ire àti àánú a máa tẹ̀lé yín lẹ́yìn. ṣeré tó wò sùsùn tó ṣàánú ọmọlàkejì ẹ̀, dájúdájú àánú Ọlọ́run ò kì í firú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sílẹ̀. It is not easy, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín, it's not easy pẹ̀lú economic situation round the world. Nigeria nìkan kọ́ o, round the world, and you people still deem it fit. Only 200, only 250. Àǹtí kan ti ẹ̀wà tí mo láti dárúkọ wọ́n lè má fẹ́ kí n dárúkọ TNT ní London.
TNT.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àwọn náà pè mí, àwọn náà fi owó ránṣẹ́ nínú owó yìí. I think she sent me 200, and people like that 200, 150, 30, 25. In fact, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ó yẹ kí bóyá 700 naira ló yẹ kó fi dín ní 400 orí ẹ̀ yẹn. So àwa kan àwọn ọmọ yìí náà fi 700 naira sí so kó lè fi pé ṣé ó ti yẹ ó ṣàgbọ́dọ̀ pé round figure. All right, we thank God, and we thank you people, because without you, Olema easy by. We never thought it would be this easy. We never thought so. In less than 24 hours, I came here with 1.3. In less than 24 hours, I came here with 1.3. And in the next 2 days, this is 3.4. It is huge. It is massive. But at the later, I will not do below. I won't know what account numbers. Still send this. She won't send this. Everybody. Those that have done their own quota. Even Bisola Adupelowo no for your massive contribution, because you are doing wonders. 220 Adupelowo wa ti ente koko wa no ti jẹ́ kí a mọ̀ nta gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwa kan ti ń ṣe lẹ́yìn tẹ́lẹ̀, but nevertheless gbogbo everybody to contribute sówó yìí, àtẹni tó wù lọ́kàn tí ò nágbára, Ọlọ́run á yà yín lẹ́nu kọ́dún yìí tó parí. Nínú kan tán kẹ́ tó rí kan, ẹ wo ayé ò ní fàṣọyà mọ́ yín lára, aṣọ yín ò ní ya léjìká, ní tọrọ jẹ. Ṣé kì í ṣe pé appreciate that, people feel Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rí nǹkan tó máa fi ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí fún wa. Bọ̀ ẹ má jẹ́ kí n tàn yín tó bá dé, kò sẹ́ àìsàn ju everybody lọ o. Àìsàn ó kéré ó tóbi kò ní ṣubú tẹ̀yìn o. Àìsàn ó ju everybody lọ. That is what somebody called me and said. Wọ́n ní kò sẹ́ni tó superior ju ẹni tí nǹkan lè gbé lulẹ̀ kò sí. Kọ́lọ́run wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo wa. My sister. Ọmọ àdá wà ní ọmọ ìláìkì ọmọ ẹ̀ tó wá ń wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ọmọ àdá wà ní náà máa ń fàyè ó sì yẹ. God bless you. Thank you. Ẹ ṣeun, ire o.
All right, after delivering the message to Bisola, 3.4 million naira, that's huge, that's massive. Actually, she was shivering. At first, she said she did not want to appear in the video, or she doesn't want any social media gist any longer. But I told her this time around, we have to appreciate those that are blessing us with this money. It's not easy in this hard time. People come out and give their hard-earned money for us, and it is something we have to thank God for. I am happy for this, and I know a lot of people will be happy. So I left almost immediately, because wow, I am happy and I thank God for this.
Well, it's amazing when you hear so many things happening around you, and you could help but you did not help, or you want to help, you don't have the power to help. But I know that one way or the other,
Bisola will be happy. I know one way or the other, this will go a long way. Sherry, I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I understand her plight. I understand whatever she's saying. She even told me today not to record her again. She said I should not record her, but you know, it's not because I want to do this recording compulsorily or I just want to, but we have to appreciate those that are giving us this money, and those that are giving us this money must surely see that yes, this money has gone to the right place. That this money has gone to the right place. In KTNT, I say thank you. My sister that sent ₦1 million to her, I say thank you. For everybody that sent one kobo or the other, I say big thank you. I say big thank you. Nita Buruma Kontuma Konwa, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ó kàn. Wọ́n ní kò sí bí sọ́mọ ṣe lè funfun tó dúdú díẹ̀ máa wà ńbẹ̀. Dúdú tó máa wà ńbẹ̀ kọ́ ló má jẹ́ ó pa wá lára. Kó má pọ̀ jẹ̀mí wa lọ. Kó má pọ̀ ju nǹkan tí agbára lè kà. But I say thank you to everybody, and I know Bisola is also happy. Her families will be happy. People around her will be happy, and everybody is saying thank you, and God bless. All right, I need to fill my tank again because the were red. You know when they say it's on red, you don't have no fuel no longer. I have to fill the tank because I still have, like I said earlier, some places to still attend to. But I don't know how to thank everybody. But first and foremost, I have to thank God for what He has done for us. And we also have to thank everybody supporting us. My dear, 100k fuel now. I use it in 2 days. 100k fuel. Just 2 days, it's gone. But nevertheless, I'm happy doing what I'm doing, and I give God the glory, sending people who can also help to us. It's easy for me to do transfer, very easy. It will even ease my stress. But how will I tell? How will people giving us money be so sure that this guy has delivered, or when they send it to me, I should send it to them? When I even tell some people that let me send their account detail, or do you want to send me, or you want to reach out to her yourself? Some will just say, bring your account detail. Some will say, send our number, then give us your own account detail. Some will equally say, give us our account detail, or whoever's account detail. We say thank you. We say thank you. Eshigo.
Oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn náà ni wọ́n fàdúrà ran Kunle Afod lọ́wọ́ lórí ayélujára tó ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fún gbogbo iṣẹ́ ribiribi tó ń ṣe, bó ṣe ń ran àwọn àgbà òṣèré oríṣiríṣi òṣèré lọ́wọ́. Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé wọ́n rò pé kò yẹ kó kó owó tó kó wá yẹn, kò yẹ kó kó wá ní cash báyẹn, ó yẹ kán transfer sí àkáǹtì arábìnrin yẹn ni. Ṣé mọ bí Àgbàlá Gabriel ṣe máa ń ṣe tiẹ̀ tó wọ́n máa pe iye owó tó ti wà lákàn, bóyá òun ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe mọ́kùmọ̀kù, bóyá kọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ lè mọ́, bóyá kó má bàa di pé ó ṣòwò mọ́kùmọ̀kù, kó má tún di pé wọ́n máa tún fi ẹ̀sùn ìṣòwò mọ́kùmọ̀kù kàn án ló fà á tó fi kó wá ní cash. Àmọ́ lábẹ́ bó ṣe lè kó rí, nítorí security, nítorí ìlú ti lé o, ojú àwọn èèyàn gbòòrò o, kó má lọ di pé àwọn ará bí wọ́n máa tún lọ ṣe ṣégè fún Bisola Badmus. Elédùmarè kó máa ṣọ́. Àmọ́ paríparí ẹ̀ ni pé iṣẹ́ tí Kunle Afod ń ṣe yìí, ó gbìyànjú o, tí ò bá sọ́wọ́ mọ̀kùmọ̀kù nínú ẹ̀, gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe ń fi hàn fún gbogbo ọmọ aráyé. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Bisola Badmus yìí, ibi tó dé dúró, ibi tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, gbogbo bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe jáde nígbà yẹn, gbà tí wọ́n gbọ́ pé ó ní àìlera, tí àwọn èèyàn sì padà dá sí, tí Kunle Afod gbé síta. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, drop comment and remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe, gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ, ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì, Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa, kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70 25 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.